Breaking news, guys. They're forcing drones to work here in the cotton fields in Xinjiang. Absolutely unbelievable. I just can't accept
that
it.
a lot of the fans around the world has asked me to go and show them the life there. I was like a bit surprised how stable and also growing the industry is. The income is stable. They have really nice housing. The units there are all organized. It's nice and spacey. You're also seeing a very high degree of understanding of using technology in the furthest away regions in Xinjiang, something that I didn't expect from a cotton farmer.
Guys, I think that the transformers are the labor here, because that's like a transformer machine, man. It's moving on its own.
That they are not working as hard as people can imagine, and they're very capable of using technologies. So my entire conception and stereotypes about cotton farmers has definitely changed through this trip. I was also very surprised to see this because I don't think even in many countries I visited and farms in Ben, I haven't seen this yet, which shows that there is also a high level of efficiency in terms of technology usage, which increases the economic efficiency. And hence, specifically in the past 10 years, I think the income of these farmers have grown drastically. But most importantly is that it's been a generational tradition to be a cotton farmer. It's a family it's rooted in the culture of many of the Xinjiang local people. So I was a bit surprised to hear things related to that people are like asked to or necessarily forced to. It's something that traditionally, historically, and economically doesn't really align to what I personally experienced. I didn't feel like there is an attack on these people's will to work in the farm. I didn't see that. They were actually quite happy with where they are right now. No matter how you talk about the situation, at the end of the day, it's those local people lives that matter. Their economic well-being, their peaceful lifestyle, their children. So if we give them enough support, that should be the focus of this entire situation when people talk about Xinjiang, and not try to push them down, pull them back. And that's something that I really hope it doesn't happen more in the future, because the people I met already became my really good friends. We had a really nice bonding, and I want that them and all the people living there to also not feel like they are being, seen very negatively by other people around the world to be honest, from what I saw, for not much reason, to be honest.